This is really crazy. Okay, imagine you have something to achieve and you cannot achieve that. So what you can do? Change the definition. So it's like I want to run a marathon and I cannot do that. So let's change the definition of marathon to run just 1 kilometer. And yes, next day I have done 2 marathons. That's how something is cooking between Microsoft and OpenAI. According to a leaked document, they have changed the definition of AGI. So welcome to Bitfumes. I'm your host Sarthak, the founder of Bitfumes, passionate content creator, developer and DevOps expert who love to embrace the AI. If you have any question or any query regarding your career or your project, you can just visit my personal website sarthaksavvy.com and schedule a one-to-one call directly from here. If you have not yet subscribed to Bitfumes YouTube channel, go and hit the subscribe button for more updates regarding the AI and the AI developments. Let me know what kind of videos you want me to create on this channel regarding the AI. Your comment will be valuable. So let's start this video. But before diving deep into what their new AGI definition is, let's see what is the traditional definition of AGI, which is basically stands for Artificial General Intelligence. It is just a form of AI, like the AI which we are right now using, that can either match or exceed human cognitive ability on a broad spectrum of tasks. That means it can do a lot of things which human can do without hesitation. So simply understand, if a system can learn, understand and apply its intelligence to wide range of tasks just like humans are doing in their day-to-day life, then that system can be considered as Artificial General Intelligence or an AGI. But why it is so difficult to achieve? Right now we have many AI systems. There is a really rush of huge, bigger, faster LLM AI models. But all of the current models are specifically to certain things. Even the ChatGPT is just giving the prompt, getting the answer. It cannot perform something on your behalf. Even the O3 reasoning model can just started out thinking like a human, but it cannot perform some task. At this level, we cannot say we have achieved the AGI. But this is according to the old, or I can say the traditional definition. But Microsoft and OpenAI has redefined the AGI on their profit. Yes, exactly, the real profit in terms of revenue. They have redefined the AGI as a system that can generate $100 billion revenue in profit. Seems unusual and not aligned to the typical AGI definition, but yes, they have changed the definition of the AGI. But why they are trying to do this? Microsoft is the biggest player behind the OpenAI. It is a big backing for the OpenAI. But OpenAI itself, in its own, becoming really bigger than any other LLM or AI company. So it seems like Microsoft is losing its hand over the model and the capability of the OpenAI, what it can do. Maybe just to match up this so that Microsoft will have a good control or at least have a good use case of the OpenAI model, they have redefined the AGI, because the Microsoft and OpenAI deal will going to end once OpenAI achieves the AGI. So that's what I'm saying, because Microsoft seeing that, hey, OpenAI is reaching towards the AGI. So what we can do? We can just raise the bar. And just raising bar means change the definition of what AGI is. So that's why they have redefined the AGI, not in terms of what it can do, but in terms of revenue. So that as long as OpenAI have achieved huge potential of their models, the Microsoft can use their model for their products and create huge revenue. And this announcement is just done after the release of, not the release, but the announcement of O3 model by OpenAI from their 12 days of OpenAI. And O3 model is really a significant advancement in the AI models. And there is a really good debate about whether OpenAI really has achieved the AGI with this O3 kind of model or not. And Microsoft has seen this wave of AGI with OpenAI, and that's why they had come up with this kind of redefinition of the AGI. Now, what do you think? With this changing of the AGI thing is beneficial for the AI industry, or it's just beneficial for the Microsoft or maybe for the OpenAI? What do you think of this redefinition of AGI? Let me know in the comment section and I will surely going to respond to your comment. Your every comment, every like, and every share is really valuable to me to create these kind of amazing videos for you. If you have any question regarding this AI thing, so just shoot me an email or follow me on any social media platform at Sarthak Savvy. Don't forget to subscribe to Bitfume's YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.